It is a beautiful day in, where are we in California?
Venice Beach.
Venice Beach. We're in Venice Beach. I feel like we should go to the Gold's Gym here, man, the Mecca.
Oh, yeah.
But I don't think we're gonna have time. So, right now, I'm gonna have coffee with my man Logan. By the way, Logan Sneed, Fusion Lean. Follow him on YouTube, Instagram, and all the above. Link in the description.
Yes, sir,
I gotta work on
it.
that. So, we're gonna go have coffee. We're gonna work on the computer, get some stuff done, start the day off right. See you in a bit. Alright, this place is pretty awesome, y'all. Check out this coffee laboratory. Pretty sweet. How's your coffee, man? Do you get coffee or tea?
Just straight coffee.
Straight coffee?
Cheers.
Cheers. Hot?
Oh, yeah. Caliente.
Let me try mine here. See how it compares to Starbucks. That is really, really good, y'all.
A different type of coffee.
Alright, we're at Bulletproof Labs right now. Let's go get some bulletproof coffee. Alright, y'all, here we are in Bulletproof Labs. We're just working hardcore.
Cheers.
Cheers. By the way, the bulletproof coffee is really good. And we're getting some serious work done, so stay tuned. Alright, y'all, this is where I part ways with my brother Logan. I'm going away, he's staying here. Logan.
Man, it's only the beginning.
Only the beginning. We got some plans in the works.
Give this video a like if you want to see more videos of me and Robert together.
100%.
Give it a like.
Love you, bud.
Boom. See you, man.
Alright, y'all, at the airport now, headed back to Arkansas. My flight got delayed by 2 hours, so I'm not going to be getting home until 11:15 p.m. Not cool. They stopped me to check out my keto brick, but they gave it back, so all is well. Y'all, in Denver now, headed to Little Rock. About to eat a brick. It's the first thing I've eaten all day. Let's do it. Alright, last flight of the day, headed to Arkansas. Here we come. Alright, back in Arkansas, y'all. Time to go find Crystal. Feels good to be back. Alright, y'all, look who I found. Crystal is back in the vlog. This vlog was short, but I'm back in Arkansas. I'm happy, and I'm gonna spend time with her now. So I will see y'all tomorrow.